Good morning, Year 3. It's Miss Everingham here, and I'm so excited to get stuck into today's Destination Reader lesson. I hope you are too. Now, I hope you enjoyed the beginning of The Genius by Dick King-Smith that we started yesterday, and we are going to continue with that today. So, let's get started. Remember, keywords are in red, questions for you to answer are in blue, and if I want you to write something, those words are in green. So look out for those that key as we're going through the slides. In today's lesson, you will need a copy of the story, a strategy prompt sheet, and a pencil and a piece of paper or your home learning book. Press pause while you gather those things and press play when you're ready to continue. Well done, let's go. So we are reading The Genius by Dick King-Smith. Today we're continuing with strategy number 3, which is inference. Inference means to read between the lines and look for clues when the writer has not put all of the information clearly in the book. Sometimes we need to use our brain to join up the clues and work out the answers, and that's what you're going to be doing today. You're detectives looking for clues. There are some words we need to understand before we start reading today. The first keyword in red is house trained. My turn. House trained. Your turn. Fantastic. My turn. House trained. Your turn. House trained means when a pet has been taught not to go to the toilet and make a mess in the house. Maybe they're house trained so they can go to the toilet outside or in a litter box. The second word is sniggering. Your turn. My turn. Sniggering. Your turn. My turn. Sniggering. Your turn. Sniggering means to laugh at someone or something in an unkind way. They were sniggering meanly at the person in the class. Third word, my turn, intelligent. Your turn. My turn, intelligent. Your turn. Intelligent means being able to learn or understand things easily. I know there are some very intelligent people in Year 3 at St. John's. Fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to be asking 1 mark and 2 mark questions. You need to look carefully at the question to work out if it's a 1 mark or 2 mark question. Let's check what they mean. A 1 mark question needs a short, snappy answer. My turn. 1 mark questions need a short, snappy answer. Your turn. Fantastic. 2 mark questions need a PE answer. Point and evidence. My turn. 2 mark questions need a PE answer. Point and evidence. Your turn. Well done for doing the actions as well. That will help you remember what the 2 mark and 1 mark questions mean. Okay, let's begin reading. Now remember, the page numbers aren't at the bottom of each page in the extract. So it's going to be easiest for you to find chapter 1 first and then count 3 pages on from that. We are on page 3 of the extract at the back of the book. The page has an armchair with a guinea pig at the top of it. The sentence starts with, and there'd be. Press pause if you need some time to find that page with the armchair at the top of it and the sentence "and there'd be." Press play when you're ready to get reading. Fantastic. Let's go. I'm going to just read the sentence before that just to help you, but you just listen and then follow along with your finger or your ruler once I get to the sentence "and there'd be." "But Judy," said the teacher, "wouldn't it look rather odd if someone very important came to call, like, say, the President of the United States, and the Queen, I mean you, said, 'Do take a seat, Mr. President,' and there was a guinea pig lying in the armchair?" So that's where we got up to yesterday. Now we're starting at the sentence "and there'd be" at the top of page 3 in chapter 1 of the extract. "And there'd be messes all over the carpet, and someone said, I've got a question for you. Why would there be messes all over the carpet?" This is a 1-mark question, so you need what do you need? Yes, a short, snappy answer. Okay, say your answer out loud, then make a note of your ideas on the paper or home learning book in front of you. Press pause while you work out the answer and press play when you're ready to check your answer. Fantastic. Why could there be messes all over the carpet? The guinea pigs could have gone to the toilet on the carpet. If there are all these guinea pigs running around, they might not be toilet trained, house trained, and they might have made a mess all over the carpet. Did you have a short, snappy answer like that? The guinea pigs could have gone to the toilet on the carpet? If you did, give yourself 1 mark, 1 tick, or press pause to fix up your answer. Fantastic. Let's keep reading. We are still at the top of page 3 of the extract in chapter 1. "And the President would step in them," said someone else. Everybody giggled. "My guinea pigs would be house trained." Remember, that means trained not to go to the toilet inside and make a mess. "My guinea pigs would be house trained," muttered Judy, close to tears. "Palace trained, you mean," said a voice, and now there was so much sniggering that the teacher said, "That's enough, children." I have a second question for you. Why does the teacher say, "That's enough, children"? How many marks is this question? Yes, 2-mark question. So we need a PE answer. Point and an evidence. Listen as I think out loud. Why does the teacher say "that's enough, children"? First, I go to where that is said in the book to help me work it out. I think, my point, the teacher said "that's enough, children" because there was so much sniggering, so the children were making too much noise and upsetting Judy as she was close to tears. So I have said why the teacher says "that's enough, children" because they were making too much noise and upsetting Judy. And my 2nd mark, I have put in evidence from the text. That's underlined in red. There was so much sniggering and close to tears are words directly from the book. You're now going to have a go at saying why you think the teacher says "that's enough, children." And use evidence from the book. Press pause while you work out your answer and press play when you're ready to check or move on. Fantastic work. Have you started your answer with the question that has been given? Have you got "because" in there? And have you got evidence, words taken from the book? Well done. Give yourself 2 marks. If you need to fix up your answer, just press pause and then press play when you're ready to continue. Fantastic. So we are at the top of page 4. So the next page over that starts with "That's enough, children." Press pause while you find that and press play when you're ready to start reading. Okay, that's enough, children. She put her hand on Judy's shoulder and said, "It's a nice idea, but even if you were the queen, you wouldn't be able to train a guinea pig like you can train a dog. Only certain animals are intelligent enough to be taught things by humans, and I'm afraid guinea pigs are not among them. They're dear little creatures, Judy, but they haven't got they haven't got a lot of brains." I have one last question for you. Why does the teacher think that dogs are better pets than guinea pigs in the palace? How many marks is this question? Exactly, 2 marks. So you need a PE answer with a point and evidence. Why does the teacher think dogs are better pets than guinea pigs in a palace? Go back and read the last few sentences if you're not quite sure. Say your answer out loud, make a note of your ideas in front of you, and then press play when you're ready to continue and check your answer. Press pause while you do that now. Great, let's see if you had similar ideas to me. Why does the teacher think dogs are better pets than guinea pigs in a palace? I think the teacher thinks dogs are better pets because dogs are more intelligent than guinea pigs, so they can be taught things by humans. Have you included because? Did you have evidence taken from the book, words in red taken from the book to support what you think? Give yourself 2 ticks if you did, or press pause while you fix up your answer. Fantastic. Well, Year 3, we have finished for today our Destination Reader lesson. On Wednesday, tomorrow, we will continue to read The Genius by Dick King-Smith and continue to practice making inferences, finding the clues from the information that is in the book to help us answer questions. On the piece of paper in front of you, make a prediction about what you think is going to happen next in the book. Thank you so much for your hard work again today. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.